dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano boarding and day.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear Form 1 students. Today we are going to learn about the excretory system. This is chapter 6 of unit 5. Excretory system, as the name shows us, we will be talking about the ways by which the body removes, wastes, usually produced by chemical reactions that take place in the body, like respiration, which produces carbon dioxide, and also water, and deamination, which produces urea, which is a toxic substance, and so on. So let's first see the definition of the excretory system or excretion. Excretion is the process or processes by which organisms eliminate, remove unnecessary materials through exhalation, which means breathing out. When you are breathing out, you are just removing carbon dioxide from the body. Other ways product is like urine, sweat, chemical, and it is chemical activities. You see, sweat contains two things. It contains excess water. It contains excess salts. It contains urea. So when you are sweating, you are not only, sweat is also very important during, regulation of body temperature, but again, it's very important. It plays very important role in excretion. Urine also contains many, substances like excess water, salts, urea, and so on. Excretory system also helps to maintain homeostasis. The word homeostasis, this is very important process, which means it keeps the body more or less constant. So we have a constant body temperature. We have, it keeps the chemical reaction is taking place in the body go more or less in a constant way. So producing, their normal products within the organisms and prevent damage to the body. Okay, let's see some important parts and their functions. Here you see the skin. The skin is very important. It plays it takes part in, or it has a different roles in your body. It acts as an excretory organ. It acts as an, when we're talking about the immune system, it is very important. It prevents the entry of pathogens into your body. It's also very important in keeping the body temperature more or less constant. So the skin excretes substances like sweat. It has a glands which are called glands, which are called sweat glands. So these glands collect excess water and salts from the body, and then through the sweat ducts they put these products onto the surface of the skin. So when water reaches here, they will be evaporate. So the skin helps, in addition to that, it helps the removal of wastes such as excess urine and excess water, excess water, excess salts, and urea. Furthermore, the sweat held by salt evaporates and helps to keep the body cool in warm conditions. Cool in warm conditions. The other one is the liver. The liver is the largest organ in your body. It does many functions, including production of heat, conversion of excess amino acids into glycogen, production of bile, and so on. This small structure is called the gallbladder. It is the place where bile is stored. Bile is stored. Okay, so the liver, here we have some of the functions of the liver which is related to the excretion. The liver detoxifies. Detoxify means it removes or toxins or poisons from the products of digestion. For example, during digestion, many chemicals are added to the food. It's hydrochloric, for example, hydrochloric acid is added to food to kill, bacteria that may be present in the food. So anything which is harmful or can be removed by the liver from the blood and breaks down chemicals or poisons that enter the body. For example, the liver transforms ammonia, which is a poisonous substance, into urea, which is then filtered by the kidney into urine. Your body cannot store excess amino acids. So excess amino acids are converted into glycogen plus urea. So this will be stored in the liver, and urea will be removed by the kidney in the form of urine. This process is called deamination. So there are another two, organs of excretory organs which we will learn in the coming lessons. So for the lesson today, what we need is to know the definition of excretion, the role of excretion, and the function of the liver and the skin in excretion, or not in any other function in the body, but in excretion. So thank you very much. That's all about today.